In day 2 of 8.3, remember yesterday all we did was FOIL. We had a binomial and a binomial. Now I have a binomial and a trinomial. And it said, okay, if you have anything other than a binomial and a binomial, just use the distributive property. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take 2w through this trinomial. So 2w times 3w squared is 2w cubed plus 6w squared minus 8w. Okay, so I'm going to multiply coefficients. Right? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. W and w squared is cubed, w and w is squared, and then w all by itself. Now I have to do the same thing. Let me color code it for you a little bit. I got positive 3, and it has to go through that trinomial. So 3 times w squared is 3w squared. Now notice what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack up my like terms. So this is super simple when I get done, that I add all my like terms together. 3 times 3w, so plus 9w, and 3 times negative 4 is minus 12. I'm going to add up my like terms. 2w cubed plus 9w squared plus 1w, or just w, minus 12. That's it. Okay, fancy distributive property for FOIL, and now if I have anything else, binomial, trinomial, that's what we have to do. Alright, let's try it again. What you can do once you get the hang of this is go ahead and pause the video and then check the answer here. So 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x times negative 8, so minus 24x squared. And 3x times 6, 3 times 6 is 18, so plus 18x. I'm going to come back through. Let's use green this time, negative 4. And we'll take that underneath here. Negative 4 times x squared, negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times negative 8x, so plus 32x, and negative 4 times 6 is minus 24. Again, I'm adding my like terms. 3x cubed, I have minus 28x squared, plus, let's carry the 1, so 50x, and minus 24. Alright, a couple more examples. Again, I encourage you to pause the video as needed and then come back and check an answer. 8y cubed plus 16y squared minus 20y. I like to change colors. Some folks really like to just make sure that they distribute, put the lines underneath here. 2 and 2 is 4. Y squared, again, I'm going to line up my like terms. 2, so plus 8y. And 2 times, so minus 10. Again, I'm always adding my like terms. 8y cubed plus 20y squared minus 12y minus 10. And the last one we have here, 4z, taking that one through. So I have 12z cubed. I have minus 24z squared and plus 16z. Oh, this one might be tight on the space. You'll be alright though. 1 times this whole thing. Those are great, so I just rewrite this trinomial. So 3z squared minus 6z plus 4. Plus 4. Let's squeeze that in there. So 12z cubed, I have minus 21z squared plus 10z plus 4. That's it. Okay, if you have anything other than binomials, we have to use distributive property. If you have a binomial and a trinomial, this is how we do it. Stack up your like terms. Okay, so stack up your like terms, and then you can add them up. A lot easier than making a whole string of them.